Ia, te whaatalo whātu le tātou tunu i le leivahenga o le tae au. Le o maolewa no whaatalo noa i le whionga i le tamaitai pule, pule nuu ia o le tātou pule ngā nuu i nei Porirua. Our lovely Mayor, Her Worship the Mayor Anita of Porirua City Council. Talawha Mayor Baker.
Alofa, welcome.
How are you this morning and how's the energy and what's been going on since this morning, the beginning of this vaccination clinic?
Vaccination clinic is alive. It's absolutely bumping up here. I've been out door knocking, so that's really good. We've had food vouchers to give away, enticing people to come up, and I'm sure there's going to be a few coming. I've made it quite tough on the door knocking, but please come and get vaccinated this morning. COVID is on its way and we really need everybody in Porirua safe.
Yeah, I saw yesterday you put out a Facebook post saying that there was that weak positive case that was detected here in Wellington, and you said it wasn't here in Porirua, and that's the message you're putting out there. We're currently having a competition between the Hutt Valley. How's that going with the mayor and the Hutt?
At the moment I'm losing, so we're about 1% behind. So I've got 2 weeks to get our numbers up to get vaccinated, otherwise I'll be singing on the breeze. And I can't sing, so really need everybody to get involved. But there's also a competition where if you get vaccinated, your church, school or sports group gets $20, and then the highest points get $5,000 at the end in 2 weeks' time. So do it for your church, your whānau, obviously your family. So please get vaccinated.
As the Mayor of Porirua City, what is Porirua City Council doing to support our people, our communities right now during COVID?
We're out here in the community helping these events wherever we can, and obviously the councillors are here door knocking as well. So my phone line's open anytime for anybody in the community, and they can always ring me. And it's about putting the messaging out. If it comes, I will tell you. But at the moment it's not here. There's lots of rumours, but we will tell you and be honest. At the moment we're mandating for staff. So once that's done, it'll be the libraries and the pool. So if you're not double vaccinated, when the traffic light comes in, you won't be able to go to those places. So please get vaccinated.
Yeah, what would you say to those people who are hesitant to get vaccinated? There's a lot of misinformation out there. You mentioned today when you went out there was one anti-vax. So what would you say to them?
Well, I'm telling them there's nothing in the virus. With the vaccination, it is safe. We're not putting in anything into it. We're the spoon test. We've had people want to do that. There's no magnets. It doesn't make you sick. It's quite safe. You've got two choices now if you really want to. But you get sicker and the chance of dying or actually infecting a family member. You might not get sick, but you could spread it to your aunt, your mum, your dad, your brothers and sisters. So you could be a carrier. So you've got to think bigger than that and do it for the community, because we want to get back and have festivals, and all of those things have been cancelled, and we want our businesses to thrive. So we're actually relying on the residents of Porirua to get vaccinated.
Awesome. Any last words for our people?
We're here till 5, please come down. But if you're scared of the numbers here, because I've had a couple of people say that, there are other clinics. You can go down to Porirua and just drop in at the city centre, go to the church in Cannons Creek. So there are other sites.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Keep up the awesome work. We're proud of you to have you as our mayor, and thank you very much for your support for our people.
Thank you very much.